Guys, this is what you call a long distance bike presentation. Now you see a wild EA Blitz in his natural habitat, which is putting on what I presume is Spitfire. Or it is a bit brown, so I presume it is something else. But now you see him fishing out of his battle box with his Altegras, and now he's going to let him sway, and he's going to go by a fair. I hope he finds this in his camera roll. But you see, there's Mr. EA Blitz in his natural habitat. They come out once a year to spawn, and then the rest of the time they are chilling, playing Call of Duty or fishing. The EA Blitz species is a very rare species, only one in existence, almost extinct. Vrystaat! Ah, so nice. And now you see him doing his ritual, putting on the policeman. Ja, is very lekker hier by Costa. Ja.